Model, 2011 Peugeot Bipper Nemo Fiorino it.Genuine low mileage 12 months MOT red. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 81,686. MOT, the 20th of February 2026. Engine, 1398 cc DV4TD, 50 kilowatts, E4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows.